What's up, guys? So welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on that JHT. Before I go through today's bars, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'll urge you to kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have Countryman Songo fires and fights for Serwaa Amihere. Yeah, so sports journalist Countryman Songo has fired and jumped to the defense of newscaster Serwaa Amihere. The newscaster has been under some serious backlash from politicians and netizens for some time now in connection with several issues. Yeah, so Countryman Songo, who seemed to be fed up with the witch hunting, descended on various parties during the backlash and causing Serwaa Amihere series of embarrassment. Yeah, so the sports journalist said because many of these people know they can't get close to Serwaa Amihere, they tend to say all sorts of things about her. He urged them to leave her alone or he will descend on them as well. Okay, guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Serwaa Amihere. Leave that girl alone. Leave her alone. Munyai. Why? Modi aji se mo hu ade a hekef kokko efe. Come on. Onimse o ne sanka o nyanti. Ubo se da bia na se na chi se with a unprofessional fire. I'm telling you. Who say system ne si wono. Wo timi my system no nya system no. System no kef, system no brutal, system no warfare. It would think the baby girl no person or yan so disturbing is or hano kitan. Don't mind them, don't listen to them. You have your life to live. Oh, bad bloggers ne sa bad journalism bina and kofobi no. Wobin cafe kula no person mo kaso bi aka bibi. No na de no ho. Serwaa no na de no ho. What is your problem? It doesn't mean say mean to mean some nonsense. Me see baby girl here Serwaa Amihere. She's a baby girl, more fire. Leave her alone. Yes, I have just professional. Unya didn't you what as you so unya to also account nonsense, but say professional. Oh, fire.